Hello everybody, this is an introduction to Norwalk Wheels Hub, bus 177. Here's the front profile of the bus, license plate 6354. Pretty normal standard. And now we get a view of the side of the bus. This is apparently an older version of this bus, as the classic livery is still intact. There is no updates to this bus as of currently, but I think they'll be updated soon to match the more modern look. And now we will cut to the back of the bus. Oh, and don't forget the identification and phone number in case anybody needs it. 203-852-000 at norwalktransit.com. And here is the back of the bus. Very interesting detail about this bus. They removed the back sign, I don't know why. So you can't really tell it's the Coastal Link unless you look in the front. Very interesting, but yeah. And here is the other side profile of this bus. Same as the other side, but this is the boarding side where passengers can board. Unlike London, we board on the right side of the bus. Very interesting indeed. And there, if I can zoom in on it, is the battery compartment right there. Anyways, this is Norwalk Wheels Hub Bus 177. Thank you for watching my introduction about this bus, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Transit Genius, signing out.
That is all the content I have for you today. Thank you for watching Transit Genius, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.